Hello everybody, so today I will talk about geometry. The topic today is about how to sketch the sphere content A, B, C, and the center of the sphere should be on the plane A, B, C. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. First, we need to draw the line in here. Let's say about we choose this one, so we got about A, B, B, C, C, A. Later that we go to the midpoint or center. We have A, C, C, B, and B, A. Next, we cannot draw the perpendicular at location D, E, F, so I will show another way to do this one. So we have perpendicular line in here. We choose A and we choose the line CP. Next, we choose about parallel line in here. So we have B should be parallel this line from A. Next, we do the same technique. Now, after we do this way, we can find the center of three lines from bisector in here. That should be this point. So after we find the center of the triangle in here, we can use about segment. So we use this point here to go A, and the segment from this point in here to go B, and the last one that's about C. Later that we check on the answer. You can see that the segment from G to A, B, and C, they have the same radius. That's about 2.66. After we know that the radius of this point is about 2.66, we go back to here, sphere, center, and point. So we choose this point in here, or maybe we go to this one and we choose 2.66, and now we can check on the graph. You can see that we have point P, point C, and point A. They are on the surface of the sphere in here. So it means the technique we just do is correct. That's the end. Thank you for watching.